What your favorite attack says about you. Punch. Slap. You think you can kill an error? Laser. You are just using a small error attack. Shockwave. Rage plus shockwave or trap. Some of you might know this. Rage. I don't know. Get out. I also don't know what to say. Streak. Who the fuck can you kill someone with this? It's so garbage. Rapid fire. Two-shot users will spawn on this vidbet. Phase. You're just dashing. Nope. You are an Enderman now. Party. We'd like to party. Also, you are trying to get the explosive party badge, but you realize it's a 1% chance to get it. Rock. A bad aim user.